Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Leo. I am Leo, your teacher, and today I am feeling very curious.
Hi, everyone. I am Anna. Leo, why are you curious? Are you a cat?
No, Anna, I am curious because I want to know more about our listeners, and I want them to know more about us.
Ah, I see. Introductions. That is always the first step in making friends.
Exactly. Today, we're going to answer the most famous question in the world. Tell me about yourself.
Ooh, that question makes me nervous. I never know what to say. Hi, I'm Anna. I like sleeping?
Sleeping is a valid hobby, Anna, but today we will learn how to give a better answer. We will talk about names, jobs, families, and favorites.
Perfect. Listeners, if you want to introduce yourself like a pro, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, like this video and let's start making friends in English. So, Anna, imagine this. You are at a party. Someone comes up to you and says, "Hi, tell me about yourself." What do you do?
I panic. I forget my name. I forget where I live. I just smile and run away.
Please don't run away. The key is to keep it simple. You don't need to tell your whole life story.
So, I don't need to tell them about the time I fell out of a tree when I was 5?
No, save that for later. Start with the basics: name, hometown, job, and hobbies.
Okay, basics first. Let's practice. Who goes first?
I will go first to show you. Are you ready to interview me?
Yes, Mr. Leo. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Leo. I am from the United States, but now I live in a big city. I am an English teacher.
Wow, short and clear. Okay, my turn. My name is Anna. I'm from Canada. I'm a student.
Nice to meet you, Anna from Canada. That rhymes.
It does. Now let's compare our homes.
I live in a house with a garden. It is quiet.
I live in a small apartment in the city center. It is noisy.
See, that's a great comparison. House versus apartment, quiet versus noisy.
I like noisy. Quiet makes me feel lonely.
And what do you study, Anna?
I study art. I love drawing and painting. I'm very creative.
Creative. That's a great word. It means you are good at making new things, right?
Yes, I make beautiful paintings and sometimes messy paintings.
And I am a teacher. So we are an artist and a teacher. A perfect team. Now let's go deeper. Let's talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother named Tom. He's 29.
I have one younger sister named Sarah. She's a musician. She plays the piano.
Wow, your family is musical. My mom is a teacher, like you, and my dad is a chef.
A chef. Does he cook delicious food?
Yes, he makes the best pasta. I'm very lucky.
I'm jealous. Now, the most important question, pets.
I love pets. I have a cat named Luna.
A cat. Is she friendly?
She is independent. She sleeps all day. She's black and white.
What about me? I have a dog named Max. He is brown and very active.
Ah, the classic battle. Cat person versus dog person. Cats, quiet, sleepy, elegant. Dogs, happy, active, loud.
Max is definitely loud, but he's my best friend. Now let's talk about favorites. This is where we show our personality.
Okay, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green, like nature.
My favorite color is blue, like the ocean.
Beautiful. What about hobbies? A hobby is something you do for fun.
My hobby is painting and reading adventure books. I like exciting stories.
My hobby is playing soccer. I am very active.
Active means you move your body a lot. Running, jumping.
Yes, I don't like sitting still. Active, soccer, dancing, running. Relaxed, reading, sleeping, watching TV.
I'm definitely on the relaxed team.
Now, let's talk about dislikes, things we do not like.
Ooh, I have a list.
Pick one.
I dislike waking up early. I'm not a morning person.
I agree. I dislike olives.
Olives, the small green things on pizza?
Yes, they taste terrible to me.
I love olives. I'll eat yours.
Deal. You can have my olives. Wow, Anna, we learned so much about each other in just a few minutes.
Yes, let's review the menu for introducing yourself.
Good idea. What is on the menu?
DEET. 1. The basics, name, hometown, job. 2. The family, brothers, sisters, pets. 3. The favorites, color, food, hobbies. 4. The personality, active or creative. 5. The dislikes, what you don't like.
That is a perfect summary. If you follow this list, you will never run out of things to say.
And remember, you don't have to say everything at once. Just pick 2 or 3 things.
Exactly. Hi, I'm Leo. I like dogs and I hate olives. Simple. Now you have the tools to make friends in English.
Yes, just be friendly and smile. A smile is the best introduction.
Now we have a challenge for our listeners. Question of the day.
Tell us about yourself in the comments. What is your name? Where are you from? And what is one thing you love and one thing you dislike?
For example, I am Alex, I love pizza, and I dislike rain.
We want to meet you. Write to us.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to English with Leo.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.